I started about a year ago to make my own bread, which is more like a pita or naan bread. Basically, I keep it in the freezer and then I pull it from the freezer and just cut it in pieces, put it in a toaster and serve. So this one, it's a bit frozen. Now, I did use both. We are in Canada. I like to use Robin Hood flour. And I did use both unbleached and bleach one or original, which correspond each with these breads. And would like to share perhaps the difference that I notice. Now, bleach flour, the original one, it's a flour that looks more white, a little bit more white. But when you bake it, the difference is just vanishing. You won't really notice a difference. It's not something that reason that you will use either flour to cook with. The reason is, I believe, the bleach flour is much easier to knead. It's really perhaps the purpose that why the industry is using it a lot. It's very easy to process the dough, so it's faster to knead and it gets really good results. While the unbleached one, when I did use it, I just knead it by hand, mix it by hand. It's very difficult to knead it properly. It's very long and basically I never got it really to knead as I would like. It's still very tasty, it's still easy to eat, it's soft when I warm it up, but it's just no comparison with the bleach flour bread kneading wise. But there is a I think, much more interesting difference, and the reason why I'm actually using almost exclusively unbleached flour is the difference in taste, and it's the exact same recipe. The unbleached flour bread, it's much tastier than the bleached flour bread one. So the taste difference is just no comparison. Now, maybe if you have always eat just original bleached flour, you may not understand what I'm talking about. But if you take these two pieces of bread, warm them up and taste both of them, let's just say if you taste this one, the unbleached one, and then try to taste the bleached flour one, you will probably not want to finish the bleach flour one, because let's say if I take, maybe talking percentage to make a better comparison, let's say this one has 100 taste, the unbleached flour one. This one is going to maybe reach 30% of the taste of this one. So that's big difference in taste. You have really a lot of flavor with the unbleached flour. It's the flavor of bread is really full in your mouth, while this one, it's just tastes like a little bit like empty. It's not, you cannot really compare them. Okay, this is it. That's why I did this small video, but I would like to ask you people, if you have more experience than me, just comment in the comment section, or if you felt that there's any difference, or if you maybe even mix the flours or something like this, let us know about your own experience. Thanks for watching.